let us find the best solar panel type for home use. Having your particular situation evaluated by an expert would be the best way to find out what solar panel type would be the best for your household. Here are some of the typical scenarios we see. The first one is limited space. For those who don't have enough space for thin film solar panels, or if you want to limit the amount of space their PV system takes up, crystalline based solar panels are your best choice. There are not a whole lot of solar installers and providers that offer thin film solar panels for homeowners at this point. You will have a choice of different solar panel sizes. The 180 watt, 200 and 220 watt rated solar panels are usually physically the same size. They are manufactured exactly the same way, but under or overperform when tested, hence ending up in different categories for power output. If size is important, you should go for the highest rated power output for a particular physical size. Both mono and crystalline solar panels are good choices and offer similar advantages. Even though polycrystalline solar panels tend to be less space efficient and monocrystalline panels tend to produce more electrical power, this is not always the case. It would be nearly impossible to recommend one or the other by not examining the solar panels and your situation closer. Monocrystalline solar panels are slightly more expensive, but also slightly more space efficient. If you had one polycrystalline and one monocrystalline solar panel, both rated 220 watt, they would generate the same amount of electricity, but the one made of monocrystalline silicon would take up less space. Lowest costs. If you want the lowest cost per rated power, or in other words, pay as little as possible for a certain amount of electricity, you should investigate if thin film solar panels could in fact be a better choice than mono or polycrystalline solar panels. If you like this video, please share it and also subscribe my channel to stay tuned for upcoming videos. Thank you.